Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I came with one of the very important video related to the company, and especially for those students who have been selected for any company. So in this video I will talk about the important point that you should consider before joining any company, because lots of candidates are getting the interview result either from TCS, Wipro, Cognizant and various MNCs or some startup. So what are the important things before joining a company? बिकॉज एज अ फ्रेशर आपको लगता है कि कोई जॉब मिल गया मुझे, दैट इज़ गुड. सो दैट इज़ गुड थिंग, बट यू शुड नोट सम इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट. सो आई विल टॉक दैट ऑल इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग्स. वीडियो थोड़ा लंबा हो सकता है, सो मेक श्योर टू go through each and every point, because I will consider, or I will basically talk about all important points. So let me talk about first thing. First, that why your first job matters, because first job shapes your career foundations, and it will basically build skills, experience and confidence. It also impact future opportunity and salary growth. So that's why whenever you are landing or whenever you are getting first job, then you should ask some question that I means, is this job aligning with my skills, or is this have some future scope or not. सपोज आपने कोई ऐसा जॉब रोल में चला गया जहाँ पर जस्ट आपको SOP फॉलो करना है, एंड यू हैव टू जस्ट basically means do your work, and there is no any salary growth or there is no any future opportunity for that particular things, then you should not consider for that things, or you should keep searching for other job. That's the important things I want to tell. Coming to next, that is the roles and responsibilities. जैसे मैंने बताया that if your role matches with your skills and interest, then that is a good thing. But if it's not matching, suppose you have learned about the AI, ML, data science, and you are getting the other things such as testing or other things, then it means that it's not matches with your skills and interests. So you should keep applying for some other opportunity and take the decision accordingly. अगर आप MNC ज्वाइन करें, that is good thing, but if you are joining a startup or some other things, then specially आपको यहाँ पर फोकस रहना चाहिए, that is roles and responsibility. नेक्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट, दैट इज लर्निंग एंड ग्रोथ अपॉर्चुनिटी. दिस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट, एंड स्पेशली स्टार्टअप वगैरह में लर्निंग एंड ग्रोथ अपॉर्चुनिटी ज़्यादा रहता है. सो यू हैव टू टेक डिसीजन अकॉर्डिंगली, एंड यू शुड आस्क सम क्वेश्चन दैट एम आई गेटिंग learning and growth opportunity in this particular ABC company. If you are getting, then you are good to go. If you are not getting the growth opportunity or learning, then you should consider for some other job. That's the thing I want to tell your friend. Considering other job means not I'm saying that you should leave this job without getting another job. सबसे पहले आप दूसरा जॉब लें, उसके बाद ही इसको छोड़ें. दैट्स द important things. Okay, and whether you are getting mentorship or team support or opportunity for internal growth or role switch, so whether you can switch the internally or not, so that's also important point. नेक्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ आपको जो ध्यान रखना है, सैलरी स्ट्रक्चर एंड बेनिफिट. यू शुड चेक और यू शुड बी क्लियर अबाउट द CTC वर्सेस इन हैंड सैलरी. दैट इज़ द इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स, क्योंकि बहुत कंपनी का 3-4 LPA CTC रहता है, एंड दे आर गेटिंग 18 और 19,000. सो यू शुड नोट ऑल दीज थिंग्स, बिकॉज द अल्टीमेट goal of your job is salary. So you should understand about the variable pay components, or understand the bonuses and allowance you might getting in that particular company. Okay, नेक्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट जो कि आपको कंसिडर करना है बिफोर ज्वाइनिंग अ कंपनी, बॉन्ड एंड सर्विस एग्रीमेंट. दिस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट फ्रेंड्स. मेनी ऑफ द MNCs का तो बॉन्ड वगैरह ज़्यादा नहीं रहता, बट मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टार्टअप और सम काइंड ऑफ स्मॉल कंपनी दे हैव अ स्ट्रॉन्ग बॉन्ड. बहुत सारा कंपनी का 1 या 2 मंथ का रहता है, बट मेनी ऑफ द कंपनी हैव 2 ईयर और 3 ईयर बॉन्ड. सो दैट इज़ द नेगेटिव थिंग्स, एंड यू शुड कंसिडर दिस थिंग्स. ऐसा नहीं कि बॉन्ड हमेशा खराब ही रहता है. इफ़ यू आर गेटिंग द हाई पे जॉब सच एज 10 LPA और 9 LPA, and if you are getting bond, then you can adjust it accordingly. But if you are getting 2 LPA or 2.5 LPA, and they are basically giving a bond for 2 year, 3 year, then that is not good, because that will restrict your growth. You will not be at that level. So that's the important thing you should note. So check if service bond exists or not, understand the bond duration, and know any penalty. Means if you are not following the bond, then what is the penalty you are getting. बहुत सारा कंपनी का होता है बेसिक पेनाल्टी, बट सम ऑफ द कंपनी हैव हाई पेनाल्टी. सो यू शुड keep these all things before signing. Friends, I also got a job with higher package, but there was a condition, that is 3-year bond, and I did not means aligning with that things, so I left that job. So you should take accordingly. Means I'm not saying that if I left the job, then you should also left. You should take your decision accordingly, according to your situation, according to your skill set and other things. So it should be in your mind that whether is a bond or service agreement or not. बहुत सारी कंपनी क्या होता है कि आपको क्लियर बताते ही नहीं कि ये बॉन्ड इसमें है या नहीं है. सो दैट्स ऑल्सो काइंड ऑफ ट्रैप, एंड यू शुड be worry about that and you should basically think about that. नेक्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स जो कि बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है दैट इज़ वर्क कल्चर इन्वायरमेंट. एंड फ्रेंड्स बिफोर टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस मेक श्योर टू like this video if you are watching till here and share this video with other friends because it will give a reality of the first job and you will learn a lot things. Okay, so talking about the work culture environment, you should note the work life balance expectation, whether team collaboration and management styles are good or not, company values and employee satisfaction are not. So how can you get these all details from the LinkedIn or from online portal? You can go through it or you can also consult previous एम्प्लॉय फ्रॉम दैट पर्टिकुलर कंपनी, क्योंकि करंट एम्प्लॉय तो आपको सही नहीं बताएंगे बट प्रीवियस एम्प्लॉय विल गिव यू कंप्लीट आइडिया अबाउट द company reality, about the work culture, about the ethics, about the environment. So you can go through all these points. Next important thing, that is the location and relocation. Very very important point that many of the students are actually saying in the interview that I am ready for relocation, but when actually relocation is given by the company then they got stuck. So that should not be in your case. You should note the city of posting. If you are comfortable with all location, that's fine, but some students might not want to leave his or her home. So you should note these things, that cost of living कितना हो रहा है. Suppose you are getting the salary as 2 LPA and cost of living is 3 LPA, then that is not worth it according to me. So if you are comfortable in all that thing, then you should take a decision accordingly. And आपको ये भी ध्यान रखना चाहिए that whether you are getting the remote or hybrid job or not, or what is the work model, whether it is on camp means in office or remote job or it is hybrid job. So you have to note all these important points. And career growth and promotion, मैंने already बता दिया that whether you are getting the appraisal or whether there is any bonuses or kind of incentive you are getting or not, whether it is aligning with your long term career or not. So these are things you should note. Okay, and whether आपका skill जो है develop हो रहा है या नहीं. So these all point you should note. Coming to next important point, that is company stability and reputation. Very very important point that you should note, that what is the financial stability of company. ऐसा ही नहीं कि कंपनी आपने ऐसा ग्रोथ मीन्स ज्वाइन किया जिनका कोई फ्यूचर नहीं है. सो यू शुड नॉट ज्वाइन दैट कंपनी एंड यू शुड see about the market reputation, about the layoff history, whether they are laying off more number of candidates or not. For example, I can give example of the company Infosys. They hire a few number of students, but still their laying off is high, especially after the training they remove most of the candidates. So you should consider all these things. Remember, I am not talking anything bad about the Infosys or any company. Many company का होता है, बहुत सारा company का, but I'm just giving example. Okay, so depending on that you should take the decision. And notice period, very very important point. Notice period क्या होता है, that whenever you want to leave a particular A or B C company, then you have to give notice period to that particular company that yeah, I am leaving this company. So आपको notice period देना होता है. So some company have 30 day notice period, some company have 60 day और some company have 90 day notice period. Maximum 90 day ही रहता है. So you have to note all these points because it impact on future job switching. If you want to switch from current company to other company, then you have to serve notice period. मैं इस पर रिलेटेड मैं एक डिटेल वीडियो बनाऊंगा अबाउट नोटिस पीरियड क्या होता है. बहुत में नेगोशिएबल भी होता है एंड you can basically negotiate the notice period, but you should consider this point. And whether there is flexibility in earlier release or not, means if you want to leave the company earlier, then whether you can leave or not, you should consider this. And last important and final advice for fresher, I will tell, prioritize learning over brand name or salary. That is important things. If you are getting the higher experience or higher learning, then I will suggest go for that particular company in compared to the name. Suppose कोई कंपनी का बहुत बड़ा नाम है बट यू आर गेटिंग 1 LP or 2 LP, and then that will not matter. Ultimate things, that what is the learning or what is the growth opportunity or stability and skill development you are getting in that particular company. If all that things aligning with you or with your tech stack, then you should go for it. Otherwise you can search for another job. So friend, these are the some important things that you should consider before joining a company. I hope this video informative to you. कोई भी query हो, feel free to ask here, and I regularly post the such kind of informative video beside that job updates and other things. So if you want, you can subscribe us and make sure to share this video with your friend who have been selected for any company, so that they will get the clear clarity of this point. Hope informative too. मिलते हैं next video में. Thank you.